Hi everyone, in today's super fast guitar tutorial, I'll be showing you the chords and strumming pattern I used to play the song Girl on Fire by Alicia Keys. To see how I use these chords and strumming pattern to play the entire song, you can find a link to the playthrough in the description below. Now, the chords I use are G, D, C, E minor, and B minor. Now, if you're not comfortable with playing B minor, I found that replacing it with D for this song works just fine. For the strumming pattern, I use down, 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 up. And then for the entire song, you will either be playing the strumming pattern twice per chord like this, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, or once per chord like this, down, 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 up. And if you're not comfortable with down up strokes, you can replace the down up stroke with a single down stroke. So you'd be playing this down, 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 down instead of this down, 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 up. Alright, so just to quickly demo what that sounds like with the first chord in the verse, it would sound like this. Alright, so those are the chords and strumming pattern. To see how I put them together to play the entire song, follow the link in the description below for the playthrough video. With that, thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.